I think the hardest part, again, goes back to the cultural thing, whereas sometimes Yiddish words are explained in with Jewish answers, which is fine, except for people like me who legitimately have no Jewish background whatsoever, because it stems back to, you can explain it as much as you can, but sometimes Jewish things are so innately ingrained into it that there's no other way to explain it really, except for by the use of another Jewish term, which I may or may not understand. So that has been a little bit of a challenge. Especially being here, people have been really good about trying to explain things when they come up in class. And I know David Schneer during culture class makes a really big effort to, if you bring up something really religious or really not as well known, you have to explain yourself, like kind of explain what it is and like what it means as to Jewish history or culture overall, or religion even. And that's been really good. It's been helpful. But that has been a little frustrating. It's like finishing a puzzle, but the last puzzle piece doesn't quite fit because you don't really understand it, because you can't, because you didn't live it, I guess. A mikvah? The bath thing?
Mikvah.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was, and someone tried to explain it to me, but they used it explaining like on terms of like Shabbos or rituals or something, which at the time I again didn't understand. And it became a big confusion, but I get it now. It's like ritual bathing. I gotcha. The language is very connected to the culture, so you can't really be here for one or the other. You kind of have to be here for both.